Uhuru friends and comrades, this is Jackson with another Daily Reparations Life Hacks with Jackson. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's life hack, I was actually planning anyway, but then this morning I woke up sick, which sucks. I have a sore throat. I definitely did this hack this morning. I made a previous video about bringing tea bags with you where you go, which is very good. It's much cheaper obviously than just getting tea or coffee at a shop where it's like $3.50 whatever for a cup of tea, when it's like $4 or less for a box of tea to last you for at least a week. But even then, that's like $5 a week that, you could save. So I really like ginger tea, and you might as well just get some ginger root for like hardly anything. Chop it up and, put it in boiling water and maybe put some honey in it or something like that. Or, if you don't use honey, other things. And do it that way. So I have some of that here. I don't know if you can see through the glass top. Here we are. I have some chopped ginger in here, cut thinly, and that's really good for you, especially if you're sick, but even if you're not sick. So I highly recommend doing that. Definitely brought this with me to work today and put sliced ginger in my water bottle to infuse it. When you're sick, ginger is really good for you. So I'm going to be doing all of the ginger, turmeric, cayenne. I do currently use honey. But if you're, hardcore vegan, instead of just, vegan except honey, there's other things that you can do. Obviously, onion, garlic is really good as well. So yeah, save money on tea and, make your own. There's a DIY ginger tea here that I highly recommend doing. So that's my life hack. Thank you for tuning in. This is a Reparations Challenge, a fundraiser for the Black Power Blueprint, self-determination projects in the hands of the Black community that benefit and empower the Black community. So the African community empowering themselves. And, we owe reparations, and that, Black power is repairing the damage of white power, the damage that white power does to African people and all colonized people. So please support this Reparations Challenge. Go to uhurusolidarity.org. That's UHURU, solidarity.org. Click the big red button that says Pay Reparations and put in the comments that is for Daily Reparations. Thank you for tuning in, and Uhuru.